Hi you guys, it is Vlogmas day 24 and I'm going to bring my mom to the airport. Come here, girl. Come here, Vincent. Come here. We have on matching PJs. Yes, we do. And Chance is over it. Say hi, Chance. Hi. Hey. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. I have my snacks ready for movie night. Show you guys. I am obviously not going to eat everything, and I have some cookies that's baking. I'm debating if I want to order something to eat, like as far as food, and no, that is not the only chocolate that I have. I have more chocolate, but that just happened to be there. So it's like I'm kind of hungry, but I'm also not. So I don't know, maybe some pizza. I don't like wasting food, so maybe some pizza will do. It is a little early, so maybe some pizza. Yeah. I am on a search for trying to find a Christmas movie that I have not seen yet. So I'm on Netflix, as you can see, and trying to find a movie. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in. I ordered some pizza, I have my snacks, and it's straight movie night tonight. My cookies are done.